Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use Chatgpt to write emails or how to use Chatgpt to do email marketing. The first thing you will need to do is go onto google.com. Once on google.com, I want you to type in Chatgpt Writer. After doing that, I want you to tap on the first option. And by doing that, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll see ChatGPT Writer, write emails and messages, fix grammar mistakes, rephrase text, change writing tone, summarize text, and much more using ChatGPT AI. And the beautiful thing about this plugin is it works on all sites and it's completely free. So all you will need to do is tap on download free extension. After you have done that, you will be redirected to your Chrome web store. And from there, you can continue with the downloading of the extension. And you can see that it is being used by over 400,000 plus users. And it also has a very high ratings, as you can see right here, of 4.7 out of 5. So once you have added the extension, what you will need to do next is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see extensions, and you want to tap on the extension until you see that it is selected in blue right there, as you can see on my screen. After you have done that, you can open up any email platform that you're on. So let's say, for example, Google or Gmail, better yet, as you can see right here. And let's say I would like to respond to an email. So I would tap on this email, for example. Then all you would need to do now to use the plugin is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the plugin. Once you have tapped on the plugin, you could paste the email that you are responding to right here. Or if you would like to create a new email, so let's say, for example, I'm creating an email to promote a green juice. So you right where you see write an email that, I'm going to type in that intrigues person. I simply typed in write an email that intrigues persons to buy my green juice, and I'm going to tap on generate email. After doing that, you are going to give it a few seconds, and you can see that it is quickly generating an example email. So just give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, the AI goes at work. So the beautiful thing about ChatGPT Writer is not only will you be able to respond to basic emails, but you can also use it for email marketing. So as you can see right here, let's say I was promoting a green juice. All I would have to do is copy this email template right here and simply paste it. Let me copy it so that we can better view it. So after copying it, I'll simply go into Google Docs and I'm going to paste it right here so that we can read it through and see if it is any good. So let's scroll back up to the top and you can see right here, it starts off with discover the refreshing power of green juice. I hope this email finds you in good health and high spirit. I'm writing to share an exciting new product that I believe will revolutionize your daily wellness routine. And you can see that it continues, and this does sound like an intriguing email that I'm sure persons would click on. And the beautiful thing about this is it also shows you where you would add your website link, as you can see right here. So it shows you where you could add your affiliate link, where you can also add your brand name, as you can see right here. So it shows you all of those details. And again, if you would like it to reply, all you would have to do is simply paste the message that you would like it to reply to. And if you're wondering if it works on all, for example, Outlook and so on, it does. As you can see, which website does it support? It works on all sites. Just click the extension icon to open pop-up window. If you are on Gmail, launch the extension from the icon in the Gmail text editor to get even better user experience. And which data is shared with the AI model? You can see right here, when writing a new email, the data sent is the user prompt, When replying to an email, the data sent is the previous email text content. And which language does it support? It supports all popular language, as you can see right here. And also how to make it work on Brave browser. You can see that on the Brave browser you will need to use the Pro version. And is it completely free? Yes, it is free, but you also have a paid version, which is the Pro version. So you can use that if you want. And that's basically it. So this is how to use ChatGPT or AI to do email marketing or to respond to an email. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And again, it works on any website. All you have to do is simply tap on the extension. And after tapping on the extension, you can see right here, message context, or you can write a message, email to reply to. So you can write whatever you would like it to reply to right here. Then you could tap on generate response. If I were to tap on see examples, you can see right here, write an email about salary negotiation, or you can write an email about payment reminder. There are numerous prompts that you can type in. All you have to do is type in your prompt, then you could tap on generate response, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.